guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my wash routine. This is a 2-week wash day routine every 2 weeks, and I'm going to be maintaining my protective style, as you guys will see in the video. So basically I'm going to start off with a hot oil treatment. This is not Melanin's oil, this is my own Ayurvedic oil. I made it and just put it in this bottle because I really enjoy the ease of this bottle, as you can see. And I just go ahead and do a scalp massage. Now, if you guys don't know, I have a toddler, so this was a little bit chaotic and I missed some parts of the video, but this is typically what I do. I will start off with a oil massage, a hot oil treatment, and I really just lubricate my hair with the oil. I really saturate my hair with the oil basically, and I leave it on my hair with my heat cap for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to do a clarifying shampoo. This is just the way, I think that's how you say it, clarifying shampoo. It's called the detox shampoo. And then I use a moisturizing shampoo, which is the Shea Moisture. And then I'm just using a deep conditioner. You can use whatever deep conditioner you require for that time slot for your wash day. So if it's your protein treatment or your moisture treatment, this one is more on a strengthening. I'll give my feedback on that one in a whole separate video. So I am going to start washing my scalp outside of the shower because I don't like washing my hair in the shower, and I find it to be a little easier and less time in the shower. I don't like washing my hair in the shower. I don't get how people can do it. It's too much. So I'm going to just scrub with my tips. Sometimes I use my nails depending on the section, but I'm not too rough. My scalp, really clean it, and then we're gonna just do the entire section. As always, my videos are pretty self-explanatory. I just wanted to come on here and just give a voiceover because I planned on talking this video, but my baby said no way. Okay guys, so I did my wash day routine yesterday, which was Sunday, and now I'm just going to put my hair in this protective style for about 2 weeks, and then I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to maintain this simple style until wash day again. So I have one more braid. I filmed this before, it's on my channel. I'll just link this style above. My lighting has changed because I'm not prepped for filming. I just want to share with you guys what I was doing to my hair. So it's already moisturized, sealed, as you guys saw, and I let it dry overnight. And I'm just going to be using a little bit of this braid gel and to sleek down the braid inside of it, I'm using this So Sleek. I've tried this style with the So Sleek, but the So Sleek, it doesn't hold very well for my liking. Like, I tried it because Kelsey from Glime Twins, she tried that when she did her her twist, and for me it doesn't hold very well, so yeah. So be very gentle when you're putting your braids on. Then I'm just gonna split into 3 and then braid it. I tried the mini twist. I don't look cute in mini twist. I look like a whole crackhead. I do not look cute in mini twist, y'all. So just close my ear. Braid like normal. Hook your pieces in. And this is like a really cute, simple style to just maintain the health of your hair for a few weeks, to leave your hair stretched. We're basically faking it till we make it, girl. And I've also tried like just plaits braids by my with my natural hair. Girl, I look crazy. I look crazy. My kids will tell me, "Mama, what's wrong with your hair?" I can't just do that. So that's why I'm adding fake hair until and I'm using the So Sleek on my ends because I find that it's like a softer hold rather than the orange braid gel. That mess will have your hair, it won't move. That edge control, your hair won't move. This lighting is crazy. I have another light, but it's too loud. So this is, I'm gonna just go ahead and finish this braid. I'm gonna dip my hair because this is not a braid tutorial. Okay, I already have this up on my channel, but I would get knots when I start filming, which is cray. So I'm gonna go get, I'll be right back. My rosemary spray that I made. I'm just spraying it right up on my scalp. It's so nice. I feel like I'm spraying my camera. It smells good too. And that's what we're gonna do for 2 weeks. I will see y'all in 2 weeks because my baby's woke and he's gonna come in here soon.